You all may be seated. Miss Henry.
Yes, ma'am.
Mrs. Henry, excuse me. You brought this case before the court.
Yes,
What's
ma'am.
going on?
Well, I'm bringing my husband, hopefully ex-husband soon, for child support.
All right, guys, buckle up because this case is messy. We've got a wife dragging her husband into court over child support. On paper, he's already paying $1,000 a month voluntarily, but she claims it's not enough. The judge is about to find out whether this is really about money or if there's something way deeper going on here.
He roughly pays about $1,000 a month, and I feel he should be paying more because he makes more. He makes more than I do.
Okay, but he's not under a court order, right?
No, ma'am. He just gives.
So he voluntarily gives you $1,000 a month for child support.
Yes, and exactly voluntarily gives me money. Every
But
now
that's
and then.
a good thing, right?
Every now and then he gives me money. Then most time I'm begging for him to give me money.
Still get it.
Notice something here? The father isn't even under a court order, yet he's been consistently paying. That's rare. Most cases only end up here because payments aren't being made. So why push it? This feels less like a financial dispute and more like a power move. Question is, does the judge see it the same way?
Private school, I just need more money. And it's not, I'm not jealous of him or anything like that. That's what he said before, but I'm not.
You said they're in activities and they go to private school, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it fair to assume that the $1,000 is covering that?
No, it's not. You
So
can
who
laugh.
needs the money, the kids or you?
Well, of course, I have to look good too, but I don't spend that money on myself. I spend it on my
She spend
children.
all of it
no,
on herself,
I do
Your
not.
Honor.
No, I do not.
Listen closely. She admits $1,000 basically covers private school tuition, but then adds she needs more for clothes and food. On top of that, she slips up about wanting to look good too. You hear that? That line may just cost her credibility in front of the judge, big time.
Patient schedule between the two of you.
He has the kids Sunday through Wednesday.
That's split. So let me just make sure I got this straight. He's voluntarily giving you $1,000 a month for child support, correct?
That's
He has the children, you said Sunday through Wednesday,
yes,
which means you have them Wednesday through Sunday.
that's correct.
Who pays health insurance?
Here's a shocker. The dad actually has the kids half the week. That's a 50-50 schedule. Normally, child support is designed for one parent who has the kids most of the time. So with custody basically equal, this raises a question. Should he be paying anything extra at all?
Okay, let me move over to, well, before I move over to him, what do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
All right, how much money you make?
I make about 60,000.
All right, do you have access to private health insurance for the children?
Yes, I do, but I'm a teacher. I don't have that extra. That's why the father should help out with that.
He does, he pays health insurance.
Now the mother reveals she's a teacher making $60,000 a year with access to health insurance. Meanwhile, the dad's paying over $300 monthly for coverage already. The judge is connecting the dots. Mom isn't struggling. She's just pushing for more than what's fair.
What women he's spending money on?
She never lets me talk, so.
Okay, I'm gonna let you talk.
Exactly.
What it is, Your Honor, she didn't mention this, but she's engaged.
Wow.
And she just found out that I'm recently dating, so now she's mad at me.
Oh, I'm mad.
There
I'm
goes
mad.
the
Very mad.
conflict.
I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
There goes the conflict.
I'm
Now
not
I
mad.
asked what was the disconnect here. It was
Boom, there it is. The father calls it out. He says this case isn't about money at all. It's about jealousy. She's engaged, but angry he's dating again. And just like that, the courtroom tension explodes into something way more personal than financial support.
He's on my side about this.
Of course he is.
so he agrees that he should be paying more than
Yes.
$1,000 a month
Yes,
in
like
child
I said,
support.
he has other women that he's pretty much
What does
tricking
his
money
other
out.
women have to do with anything?
'Cause he's spending all
Quite
the money.
frankly, you shouldn't care. You have a whole nother man that you should be worried about, and you over
understand
here
that.
all in his business.
I'm not trying to be in
And
his
he doesn't
business.
even work
You
there.
are trying to be in his business because you have mentioned it twice that he has other women. His
Yes.
other women has nothing to do with this case. So
And watch the judge here. She cuts straight through the noise. Relationships, girlfriends, engagements, none of that matters in family court. The only question is, are the kids being taken care of? And right now, the dad's case is looking a lot stronger than mom's.
again, The disconnect
Just
is
stop spending that money on the women and your
I
children.
need you to stop interrupting me
Yes, ma'am.
because you have not done anything to prove to me yet that this man needs to pay you even the 1,000.
This is a turning point. The judge flat out says, Mom hasn't proven the father even needs to pay the $1,000 he's already giving. Think about that. The case could completely backfire. Instead of more money, she might walk away with less.
You are asking for more money and he's giving just that. He's giving $1,000. He's covering the kids' tuition.
So what about clothing?
Y'all have a split schedule.
I
He
buy
needs
them.
to
I got
maintain
clothes at my
clothing.
house.
Excuse me,
Please,
Mr.
you
Henry,
bring the
excuse me.
kids
Give me a
back
minute.
home and they
Give me a
look
minute.
just-
Here's the reality of it.
Now the judge makes the most critical observation. This is a split schedule. Both parents share equal custody. And with that, the responsibility for expenses like clothes, food, school should be shared equally too. This is a foundation for a final ruling.
I'm not going to order anybody to pay child support. What I'm going to do is that you testified to this. You said tuition was $1,000.
Yes.
$500 per child. So you know what? You're going to pay $500
Wow.
and he's going to pay
Judge.
$500 directly to the school.
That
is
you make
right.
more money than I do, and you had.
And you're going to keep maintaining the health insurance.
Decision time. The judge throws out the idea of monthly child support altogether. Instead, each parent pays $500 directly to the school for tuition, while dad continues covering health insurance. No middleman, no excuses. Straight to the point.
But
True.
I'm not going to have him pay more than $1,000 or even continue paying
Honor.
$1,000 when, based on both of your testimony, you have a split schedule. That's what's in the best interest of the children. And that's what's fair.
Fair.
That is fair.
That's not fair.
Well, it is fair today. Did you have any?
Notice how the judge frames it. It's not about what either parent wants. It's about what's fair for the kids. And by splitting tuition evenly, she removes any chance of one parent accusing the other of misusing money. Smart, strategic, and airtight.
You got it. You got it.
It's always about me, right?
It is.
I asked
It
you a
is.
question. Did you have anything further for today?
No, I don't.
Okay, Mr.
Just
Henry,
when
did
you
you
bring
have?
the kids back home, make sure they're dressed properly, please.
I bring them back with what they came
Oh,
with.
what? Okay.
Okay, well,
All right.
Mr. Henry, is there anything further?
That's it, Your Honor.
If there
And there it is. Mom came in demanding more, but instead walked out with less power than before. Dad keeps his money in check. The kids' needs are secured, and the court shuts down all the drama about jealousy in relationships. If this case stunned you too, drop your take in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more courtroom drama like this.